The giant is in the shape of a triangular base prism and is 0.6 centimeters thick. As shown below, the base of the giant is in the shape of triangle PQR. In addition, the measurement of line segment PQ is 13 centimeters. The measurement of line segment PR is 8 centimeters. The measurement of angle QPR must be obtuse. It's got to be greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. The giant contains 10 calories per centimeter cubed. I know that the giant has to have less than 336 calories. The number of calories in the giant is the area of the triangle times the thickness of the triangle times 10 calories. That has to be less than 336. 0.6 times 10 is 6. If I divide 336 by 6, I get 56. The area of the triangle has to be less than 56 centimeters squared. If the giant has to have greater than 256 calories, doing the same calculation, we end up that the area of the triangle has to be greater than 42.6 repeating centimeters squared. The area of the triangle is going to be has to be between 42.6 centimeters squared and 56 centimeters squared. I'm going to use my cosine law to figure out this length. Label this side little p, this side little q, and this side little r. This is my angle P, which has to be obtuse. I'm just picking an obtuse angle that is easy. I'm picking 100 degrees. I'm using my cosine law. P squared is equal to q squared plus r squared. Take away q times r times cos of P. I'm going to replace everything I know, and that gives me P squared is equal to 13 squared plus 8 squared. Take away 13 times 8 times cosine of 100. And that gives me P squared is equal to 251.0594. Take the square root of that. Gives me 15.8449. Now I know this length, and I'm going to feed that into Heron's formula. The perimeter would be 8 plus 13 plus the 15.8449, which is 36.8449. Half of that, I need to know half the perimeter, divide by 2. S is 18.4224. Heron's formula is the area of the triangle is the square root of S times, open bracket, S minus 8, close bracket, times, open bracket, S minus B, close bracket, times, open bracket, S minus C, close bracket. I'm going to replace the S with the 18.422 times 18.422 take away 8 times 18.422 take away 13 times 18.422 take away 15.8449. That gives me the square root of 2,683.6161, which is 51.8036, which is between the 42.6 and the 56. The area of the triangle is 51.8036. We have found Q to R, which is 15.8449. There are a lot of different values that P can be that will satisfy this restriction. Length Q to R that I found was 15.8449 centimeters. I made a little spreadsheet. I tried it for every angle between 91 degrees and 179 degrees. Every single angle worked out. The area had to be less than 56, and 51.99 is less than 56. It needed to be greater than 42.6 repeating. If we go all the way to 179 degrees, 45. Every obtuse angle actually works. And that's it for the ES. Have a good day.